FABFITFUN is my way of spoiling myself. Before I open the box and share with you all the fun stuff I got, which I'm very excited about. Oh, hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my channel. Over here, we talk a lot about party games and how to have fun with our family. And FABFITFUN is my way of spoiling myself. They did send this to me and gift this to me for free. Thank you so much for FABFITFUN for sending this to me to share with all my viewers. I have worked with them on the past two, the summer and the fall box this year. If you get an annual subscription, which I have gotten myself in the past and paid for with my own money, you will get a free gift with the code ShawnMHowell. I'll pop it up here on the screen. If you get a seasonal subscription where you just, you buy the box for the season, you get 20% off your first box with the code ShawnMHowell. The way this box works, it's a subscription box. You get 6 full-size beauty, lifestyle, wellness, fitness, or home products that you get to choose. You literally get a list of options for each of the 6 products, and you get to choose which option you pick. So I had myself in mind, of course, as I'm picking. I also have gifts in mind because we're approaching the holiday season, and I find that FABFITFUN is a great way to get gifts for other people in my life at a discounted price. Because that's the whole reason you want to get a subscription, is to get things that you normally would pay more for a discounted price. A seasonal membership where you just purchase one box at a time is $69.99 per quarter because the boxes come out quarterly. The annual membership is $219.99, which sounds like a lot, but when you break it down per quarter, it's cheaper per box. It's only $55 per box, which is the reason why in the past I have purchased the subscription, the yearly subscription, the annual subscription, because the boxes are cheaper. Now, these gifts are brand names that you're going to recognize. And so that's one of the other reasons that I really enjoy getting this box, is because it's brands that I usually already purchase, or it's brands that I've thought about purchasing that I didn't want to pay full cost for. Each season's box has up to a $350 value. So when I go through here, we will look at all the products, we'll talk about the prices and the other choices that I could have chosen, and then at the end, let's add up the cost and see how close I can get to that $350 mark for the box. We'll see how much it's worth versus how much I would have paid had it not been gifted to me for free. Okay. I'm so excited. I actually reuse these boxes too. They're great. They're sturdy and they hold a bunch of stuff. This winter's theme, you've got a beautiful wreath on here. It really does feel like a gift to yourself. It feels like a present. Let's open it and see. For my first choice, I could have chosen the Olaplex No. 4C shampoo and No. 5 conditioner bundle for $60. Or the Murad Targeted Wrinkle Corrector for $79, or the Cleobella Tote Bag for $98, or the Unhide Emerald Kitten Little Marsh for $69. It comes in 2 colors. It looks like the emerald or the chocolate. I could have picked the Glass House Fragrance Scent Scene Duo for $45, the Ana Luisa Ina Necklace for $75, or the Kate Spade 25mm stitched feather edge belt for $58, which I did contemplate because I do need a belt, or the Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic two-tone scarf in gray for $58. I do love Barefoot Dreams. Or the Hourglass Vanish blush stick. I could have chosen that. It's $46. It retails for $46. These are all the retail prices, right? Sorry if I didn't explain that. These are all retail prices. The blush stick came in Devoted, the shade Devoted, Adore, or Sacred for $46. What do you think I purchased? Because years ago, FABFITFUN got me hooked on these blankets. I have a gray one already. This is the emerald one. It's going to look gorgeous on my blue velvet couch this season. I'm so excited to get this. These are the softest. We have 2. One I had in a FABFITFUN previously. No, I've had more. I've had 3. I think I've gifted one before, and then I purchased one on my own for my son. So I'm very excited to have this in my life yet again. They wash really well. These are not fur, but they do feel. They feel like rabbit's fur to me. They're just super duper soft. They make, like I said, great gifts. This is the Little Marsh. They come in all different sizes. These are normally, this one says that it retails for $69. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. They're 100% polyester. It says to dry clean. I don't dry clean these. I stick these straight in the dryer and I don't have any issues with them coming out exactly how they started. So I'm very excited to have that one. And look how beautiful that emerald color is. It also comes in chocolate. Okay, for choice number 2, I could have picked the Brock Your Body soup bowls for $48. The iconic London Face and Eye palette for $62. The Hunter Tonal Patch beanie for $58. The Greg Natal measuring cups for $70. The Open Spaces cookbook holder for $31.50. Or the Blissy handmade mulberry silk sleep mask in emerald for $49.95. Those prices I'm quoting again, those are what they retail for, not the cost that you pay, of course, for getting them in your FABFITFUN. So, which one do you think I picked? It might surprise you. I picked the cheapest one because I really need one of these. This is the Open Spaces cookbook holder, and it comes in a box and I haven't put it together. It's 10.6 inches by 10.7 inches. It's made out of pine wood. It's 2 pieces that assemble together. I don't think I've ever had a cookbook holder. Maybe years and years ago when I first got married, but I haven't had one since. If I don't keep this, I might give this to my sister-in-law because she cooks a lot. But really I was thinking it could hold my iPad while I'm cooking recipes. Okay. Choice number 3. I could have picked the Paracomb Essential FX Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream it retails for $125. Or the Dibs Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm in Effortless Pink for $24. Etika 18 karat gold plated adjustable crystal bracelet for $40. The Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen for $22, and they have 5 shades to choose from. The Aveda Curl Enhancer Cream for $36. The Bushwick Kitchen times Short Stories Honey Jar plus Dipper for $40. Or the Tower 28 Beauty Make Waves Mascara for $20. Which one do you think I picked? I'll give you a hint. I do love Aveda products. So yes, I did pick the Be Curly Advanced Curl Enhancement Cream right here because when I finish up, the one I'm currently using is a Bumble and Bumble product. When I finish that, I will have this one to try. It's for waves and curls. And I love using this when my hair is still wet. I put this on and then sometimes I'll use the diffuser to blow it out, or I just let it dry naturally. But I've never tried the Aveda brand, so I'm very excited. And this is a huge bottle. This is 6.7 fluid ounces. Choice number 4. I could have chosen the Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix Extreme 4 Concentrate for $24.95. The Riddle Oil Muse 8 milliliter roll-on fragrance oil for $58. The Lemmy Glow Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies for $30. The Lemmy Curb Capsules for $40. The Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels 15-pack for $35. I did consider that one. Or the Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer Sweater Weather. Oh, I love that. Sweater weather. And Top Coat Bundle for $32. I also contemplated that one. Or I could have had the Gaiam Safety Alarm for $30. Any guesses what I chose? This one may surprise you. The safety alarm. I chose the safety alarm because it takes a battery in the back, a little cell battery. It has a clip here to hang it on your purse. It looks like there's a light on it. Is there a light? I probably need to pull it, huh? Let's pull it. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, so it's like a flashing, blinking light. Sorry about that. Is that what it does? Does it do anything else? I thought it made like a sound. Pull tab. Oh. Siren and strobe. Push tab back into the, okay. So what you do is this, I'm gonna pull it. I can't hear. I think I'm deaf now. That was terrifying. My heart is beating 50 miles per hour. That, I literally felt that in my mouth, like inside my brain. That is the loudest alarm I think I've ever heard my entire life. Jeez. Now my ears are ringing. Yep, my ears are ringing. Okay. I don't know what I was expecting. Gee willikers. Okay, that's effective. Choice number 5. I could have had the Wander Beauty Good to Go Beauty Sponge Ornament for $20. The Neighbor Goods set of 3 sponge cloths in fresh herbs for $18. The Shop We Wore What Bow Clip for $18. The Fly by Jing Szechuan Chili Crisp 6-ounce jar for $15. Caramoon Reset Roller, $24. Jade Leaf Matcha Latte Mix Strawberry ×2, $21.82. I did consider that one. That sounds really tasty. Or the Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel for $28. I chose, because this is going to be a gift for someone in my life, I chose the little sponges. These were the Neighbors set of 3 sponge cloths for $18. They do have different, I've got this flower print, that one, and this purple one. Basil, dill, and mint are the prints on here. So choice number 6. I could have had the By Rosie Jane Chill the F Out Everyday Body Milk for $28. The Playground Mood Maker Body and Massage Oil for $35. Rejuvia Sleep Spray for $45. Lisa Says Ga Wine Tote for $55. Hops Eau de Toilette for $25. Malin and Goats Acne Treatment Nighttime for $26. The Sweaty Betty Varsity Slogan Socks for $24. I considered the socks. Or the Tower 28 Beauty Juice Balm in Mix and Shake Bundle 32. And again, I chose a gift for somebody else that I'm going to stick a bottle of wine in to give this holiday season. I chose the, is it Lisa Says Ga? What's her name? Lisa Says Ga Wine Tote in the cow print. So, all right, it comes like this. It's gonna be a really cute gift to put a bottle of wine in to give somebody this holiday season if we go to a party or someone's house. But it says Ga here and up here and on the back, and it feels just like a really nice cotton material. You can see how long the strap is, and it's just a wine tote. So yeah, 100% cotton. I just thought this was really cute and stylish for somebody's house to bring a bottle of wine in as a gift. I am going to tally everything up. So here is the price of the box, and here is how much is actually worth of the total products inside. How close did I get to the 350? Very exciting. The value is fantastic. They also do little sales throughout the year where you can go in and buy extra items at a heavily discounted price, which I fully took advantage of in years past, because it's, like I said, it's a great way to just stock up on gifts and buy things at a discount for birthdays and holidays coming up. Here are my codes on the screen. Here, if you do the annual subscription, you can get a free gift with Shawn Gift. And then here are the seasonal subscription that you can get 20% off your first box with this code right here. This blanket's a game changer. I filmed this entire video and then I was like, I'm gonna open the blanket and put it on my couch. And then I noticed that it had this piece of like leather here. If I undo it, that you just flip over it and it holds it to you. So you can walk around with your blanket. This is a game changer for this is a game changer. Here, I'm gonna put you right here. I'm gonna show you, look at this. What? Unhide. sides are super fluffy. It's not super thick, it's not super heavy, but look, you can just walk around with your blanket on you. And your hands can go right here. Look at this. I feel like I'm a magician for the winter. This is fabulous. I definitely 100% made the best choice out of the entire box. It's made the box worth it right here for me.